Another matter day, Tori day. When I say Tori day, Margaret Tori, my man, what happened, countryman, after that match, Bentley, Manchester United, club for Andre Onana and now Brian Beme. Andre Onana don't turn on a reserve goalkeeper. They now they should run for bench. They look by the way we been a reserve goalkeeper last two seasons. Now they catch and Onana they for bench we should run. And Onana they should run for bench so Chigot sing. What Chigot sing? After that winning when Manchester United win Burnley, and Onana woke up. What he do? He go now go meet up Baiji, he embrace, say congratulations for you, my brother. Now so the team day, now so the wedding. Now you continue for play fine and this and that. He no get choice. He want to make camera see, so he begin for we come make that jazz. Because if you don't make that jazz, they go teach like some camera we get bad belly matter. But the problem for Andre Onana no be saying a good goalkeeper. Andre Onana very very good goalkeeper. The problem for Andre Onana say don't go make friendship within minister them. People they do politics, they use it now for say may they destabilize Samuel Eto'o's. I dey much more focus with that one instead for be focused with a career like footballer. So now the matter that will happen with Waperi Frere Andre Onana. Any man will know you where they talk with him, may tell you leave that minister them, leave this Ngongo them, leave them well combi them. Focus on your career. When you go finish your career, you can't meet up then now do politics. But you know if you practice football, professional football for that level, and then you enter that kind of game, they say you want to stabilize your former mentor. You know go worker, you will get problem, and the problem they visible. All man is siam. Now so the team there, now you get problem now for the team. Now you don't be a reserve goalkeeper. They want to recruit another goalkeeper who go come so that he go be in first, but he go be second. You go be third. You know go be second goalkeeper again. Even the other club they don't try would tell me they borrow you for the club they don't deny. Why they deny? Ask yourself very important question. And so you find solution for the problem where you get them. So Andre Onana, as I tell now, he be the problem for Andre Onana. Onana na 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 yeah. Oh na 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 ta 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 yeah. Oh ninye, oh na nini tala tango Congo. As happened, friend. That's why they know. That's so the well day. Now you go find out. You find your own. You see, I know with him. The matter day.